Welcome to our tutorial on printing Google Slides with speaker notes. Sometimes, having those extra notes can make all the difference. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. 1. Using the website, computer, open your Google Slides presentation in any web browser. Locate the slide you want to print with its accompanying notes on the left panel. To select multiple slides, hold down the Shift key while clicking. Press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard to remove any unwanted slides. Alternatively, right-click the slide and choose Delete from the context menu. Click File Print Preview. Ensure that one slide with notes is selected, if you want to save your slideshow as a PDF. Click Download as PDF before continuing. Click Print and adjust printer settings as needed. 2. Adding speaker notes. Open your slideshow in Google Slides. Below each slide, you'll see a field labeled Click to add notes. Enter your speaker notes there. Click outside the note field to save your notes. To delete any text, highlight it and press Delete on your keyboard. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.